Welcome to Sweden, the heart of Scandinavia. Located in northern Europe, Sweden stretches from the Arctic wilderness in the north to the rolling countryside and picturesque coastline in the south. With Norway to the west and Finland to the east, Sweden's long, narrow shape gives it a diverse geography that includes thousands of lakes, endless forests, and over 30,000 islands. Known for its high quality of life and rich history, Sweden seamlessly blends modern innovation with deep cultural traditions. Whether you're drawn to vibrant cities, quaint villages, or untamed wilderness, there's something here for every traveler. Hang on till the end of the video as we bring you the most stunning, awe-inspiring, and artistic ice hotel, built using snow and ice. Let's explore the top 10 must-visit destinations in Sweden, diving deep into their unique charm and the experiences they offer. Number 10. Gotland. Our journey begins on the enchanting island of Gotland, located in the Baltic Sea. Known as a haven for history enthusiasts, Gotland is home to Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its cobblestone streets, lined with rose-covered cottages, and marvel at the 13th century walls that once protected this Hanseatic trading hub. The city's medieval churches and ruins are a testament to its storied past. But Gotland isn't just about history. Its natural beauty is equally captivating. The coastline is dotted with dramatic rockar, unique limestone formations shaped by the sea. In the summer, Gotland transforms into a lively hub with markets, art fairs, and the iconic Medieval Week festival, where the town comes alive with costumes and reenactments. Number 9. Malmö. A city that perfectly combines contemporary design with Scandinavian charm. The highlight here is the turning torso, an iconic skyscraper twisting into the sky, symbolizing Malmö's modern outlook. But the city's roots run deep, and this is evident in places like Stortorget, the city's oldest square, and the historic Malmöhus Castle. Food lovers will enjoy Malmö's diverse culinary scene. Take a stroll through Möllevången, the city's cultural melting pot, buzzing with markets and eclectic cafes. And for those seeking tranquility, the city's many parks, like Kungsparken and Pildammsparken, offer serene escapes. Number 8. Kiruna and the Ice Hotel. Journeying to the far north, we find Kiruna, a gateway to the Arctic wonders of Swedish Lapland. Here you can visit the world-famous Ice Hotel, a masterpiece of ice and snow rebuilt every winter. The Ice Hotel is a blend of art, nature, and magic. The entire hotel is built of snow and ice blocks from the Torn River. Each ice bedroom is a unique work of art, illuminated with glowing ice sculptures. The hotel is rebuilt every year and exists only between December to April. Although outside temperatures can go as low as -40 degrees Celsius, the interiors are cozy at around 5 to 7 degrees. There is also a spa that guests can use. Even the glasses in the bar are made of ice. Guests can chill out in the cozy bars. Beyond the hotel, Kiruna offers a wealth of Arctic adventures. Ride through the forests on the snowmobile. The more adventurous can also trek along the icy mountains. Explore the snowy wilderness on a dog sledding safari. Meet the indigenous Sami people, or try your hand at ice fishing or ice sculpting. And of course, Kiruna is one of the best places on Earth to witness the northern lights. In summer, the experience shifts dramatically with the midnight sun casting its golden glow over the landscape. Number 7. Osterlen. In the southern province of Skåne lies Osterlen, a pastoral paradise often called Sweden's Tuscany. Known for its rolling countryside and artistic heritage, Osterlen is perfect for those seeking a peaceful retreat. Visit Simrishamn, a picturesque fishing town with pastel-colored houses, or explore Kivik, renowned for its apple orchards and cider-making traditions. Art lovers will appreciate the many galleries and studios scattered throughout the region. Don't miss Alles Stenar, an ancient megalithic site perched on a hill overlooking the sea. Whether you're cycling through the scenic trails or savoring a farm-to-table meal at a local inn, Osterlen's charm is undeniable. Number 6. Uppsala. Uppsala, Sweden's fourth largest city, is a treasure trove of history and culture. As a center of academia, Uppsala University, founded in 1477, is one of Europe's oldest and most prestigious institutions. The Chalmers University of Technology is a private research university founded in 1829. Begin your visit at Uppsala Cathedral, Scandinavia's largest church, with its soaring spires and Gothic interiors. Fans of botany should explore the Linnaeus Garden, a beautifully preserved 18th century garden created by Carl Linnaeus, the father of modern taxonomy. For a glimpse into Sweden's Viking heritage, Gamla Uppsala offers burial mounds and ancient legends, making it a fascinating day trip. The city also hosts lively festivals and markets, especially during the spring and summer. Number 5. Gothenburg. Gothenburg, located on Sweden's west coast, is a city of culture, innovation, and maritime charm. Take a stroll down Avenyn, the city's main boulevard, lined with cafes, shops, and art galleries. Seafood lovers should not miss the Fiskekorka, a bustling market offering some of the freshest catches in the country. The city is also known for its vibrant arts scene. Visit the Gothenburg Museum of Art or take in a performance at the Gothenburg Opera House. A boat trip to the nearby archipelago reveals charming islands like Vronga, where life moves at a slower pace. Number 4. Abisko National Park. In the far north of Sweden lies Abisko National Park, a haven for adventurers and nature lovers. This pristine wilderness is known for its dramatic landscapes, featuring towering mountains, deep valleys, and the sparkling Abiskojor Lake. One of the park's crown jewels is the Kungsleden, or King's Trail, a legendary hiking route that offers breathtaking views and a chance to experience Sweden's unspoiled nature. Winter brings a magical transformation, making Abisko one of the world's premier destinations for witnessing the northern lights. The Aurora Sky Station, perched high above the park, offers an unparalleled view of this natural phenomenon. If you're visiting in the summer, the midnight sun ensures that your adventures never have to end. Number 3. Visby. Visby, the capital of Gotland, feels like a storybook come to life. This medieval town, surrounded by well-preserved city walls, is a feast for the eyes and the imagination. Explore ruins of ancient churches and visit St. Mary's Cathedral, a stunning reminder of Visby's prosperous Hanseatic League days. In the summer, the town hosts its famous Medieval Week, where visitors can witness jousting tournaments, enjoy period music, and sample medieval-inspired cuisine. Beyond the historical landmarks, Visby's coastal location provides stunning sea views and opportunities for relaxing by the water. A leisurely walk through Almedalen Park, once a medieval harbor, is a perfect way to end your day. Number 2. Smaland. Smaland is the epitome of Swedish countryside charm. Smaland is also home to Astrid Lindgren's World, a beloved theme park celebrating the works of Sweden's most famous children's author, including Pippi Longstocking. The natural beauty of Smaland is undeniable. Its vast forests, sparkling lakes, and traditional red cottages offer a quintessential Swedish experience. Take a bike ride along country roads, go fishing in a tranquil lake, or simply unwind with a fika, a Swedish coffee break, in one of the charming local cafes. Number 1. Stockholm Archipelago. Our journey ends with the Stockholm Archipelago, a breathtaking collection of over 30,000 islands stretching into the Baltic Sea. Just a short boat ride from Stockholm, this archipelago offers a perfect escape into nature while maintaining easy access to modern amenities. Vaxholm, known as the gateway to the archipelago, charms visitors with its pastel-colored houses and bustling harbor. For a more tranquil experience, visit Sandhem, an island popular for sailing and its sandy beaches. Adventurers can rent a kayak to explore the hidden coves and quiet inlets scattered across the islands. Whether you stay in a rustic cabin or enjoy a luxury seaside retreat, the archipelago offers an unforgettable mix of serenity and beauty. From the Arctic landscapes of Lapland to the serene islands of the archipelago, Sweden is a country of endless discoveries. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful getaway, these 10 destinations showcase the best of what Sweden has to offer. Thank you for joining Hidden Horizons on this journey. See you in our next video.